Hey guys, it's the first of the month. Woo! So 2018 is coming to an end, and I just wanted to give y'all a little holiday look to spice things up a little bit. It's like a green combination going on with a burgundy lip. Trying to be more consistent on my channel, come out with more content. So yeah, and we're just gonna keep it pushing, keep working, keep grinding. Wish you guys all the best for this new month and this new year coming up. And yeah, enjoy this video. Okay guys, so to start off for my transition, I'm using the shade called Charmed, I'm Sure, in the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I already did my base, which included foundation, concealer, and contour, and I'm baking as well as I do my eyes. But for this video, I just mainly wanted to focus on the eye look. Now I'm going in with the shade called Bless Her Heart in the same Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm just applying that more so in my crease on top of that transition shade. This is the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer in the shade Nude. I'm using that to cut my crease. Now going in with the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, I'm going to take that deep green shade and put that starting from the inner corners of my eye and take it about halfway across my lid. Now going in with this Oakland palette, which is a dupe for the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. I'm taking the shade called Marsh and applying that on the rest of my eyelid. Now taking the shade Pigeon, I'm applying that to my outer corner and into my crease to deepen my crease a little bit and also to blend all these shades together for a smoother look. And now using a clean brush, I'm just going to blend these shades together even more. So now I'm just going to quickly do my other eye. I'm also going to apply some eyeliner and some lashes, and then I will finish my face. Bam. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm taking the shade called Fly in that same Oakland palette, and I'm popping that in my inner corner just to brighten up my eyes. Going back into the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, I'm taking this lime green shade, and I'm going to pop that on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this Aesthetica, I think that's how you pronounce it, P12 brush, and I'm brushing away my translucent powder. And then I'm gonna pop on this green bluish chrome lipstick. I just wanted to be extra for a second, so I don't really like it, to be honest, though. I'm gonna take it off towards the end. Nah, sis, that's not it. But anyway, I'm taking it off like I said. I'm using the Terracotta Bronze shade in this Smashbox Contour palette as my blush. And then going in with this Wet n Wild highlight in the shade Crown of My Canopy. I'm just going to pop that on my cheeks, nose, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Okay, so I thought I was doing something with that blue shade, but no. Let's try this Alter Ego Lorac lipstick in the shade Dominatrix instead. This actually is bringing out the holiday vibe that I was looking for. Oh, okay, so I'm about to be feeling myself for the next 7 seconds. But yeah, I sprayed some Fix Plus on just to make my face look a little more dewy and not so powdery. And that concludes this look, guys. If you enjoyed this look, please give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you next week. Bye.